Hello and welcome back to another Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week, we looked into information pertaining to taxable hobbies. Today, we are going to locate information that will help taxpayers understand their IRS notices, as well as how to spot a fake notice. So, let's get started. So you have received a letter or a notice in the mail from the IRS. Often, these notices can seem intimidating. To better understand these notices, let's begin by accessing the IRS homepage by typing www.irs.gov into the web address field of your preferred browser. Next, locate the Help button, which can be found either at the top or bottom of the web page, and click. Lastly, click Notices and Letters from the left side menu. Right away, we are presented with a list of steps for how to read and respond to any IRS notice. However, it is very important that taxpayers be able to identify the difference between a legitimate and a fake IRS notice. So let's take a look at a few steps. Number 1. Carefully examine the envelope that the notice arrived in. Does it seem official or generic? One true sign is that all IRS letters will contain the IRS logo. Number 2. All IRS notices will contain a CP or an LTR number. These numbers are located at the top right corner of every notice. You can search notice numbers on the IRS to learn more about the notice type. Number 3. Most IRS scams pressure taxpayers into paying large sums of money. Does the notice seem urgent? Does the notice request payment to entities other than the Treasury Department? If so, this could be a scam. Number 4. IRS notices will always include steps for actions, such as an appeal, as well as your rights as a taxpayer. In most cases, scammers will not include helpful information such as this. And lastly, number 5. Should you ever feel unsure, contact the IRS support team using contact from the IRS website, not the number on the notice, unless this number matches what is provided on government-authorized sources. A support representative will be able to verify the notice for you. Also, you will have the opportunity to report the scam should this be the case. Although mail is most likely the first mode of communication, it may not be the only way that the IRS contacts you. In the event that you receive unusual emails from the IRS, especially when messages claim you owe large sums of money, I recommend you navigate to the phishing section of the webpage to learn more about spotting and reporting digital scams. As always, I hope you learned something new that will enhance your confidence this tax season. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.